Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know many of us knows how to do liquid detergent, but today I want us to do an antibacterial liquid detergent. I'm going to show you how I made it. I'm going to show you the steps. It's very economical and it's very easy to make. Just with 4 ingredients, you do it and make use of it at home and anywhere. In 5 liters of water, dissolve your 500 grams of SLS. SLS is a surfactant and it helps to remove dirt and stains from your clothes or surfaces you're going to use your soap on. Mix and keep in a different bowl. Get another bowl and mix your Texapon, 1 kg of Texapon in 8 liters of water. Don't forget, we are going to make use of 15 liters of water at the end of this production. We use 5 liters for SLS, 8 liters for Texapon, now 2 liters for industrial salt. Okay, I love mixing my salt first. I don't like adding it into my production. Then set aside. When everything has dissolved, you bring them all together. Inside the bowl I have my Texapon. I'm mixing or turning in the SLS water into the Texapon water. Mix very well. Then bring in my salt water. Salt is a thickener. It helps to thicken your soap. Any thickness you want at this point is dependent on you. This measurements I use 500 grams of SLS, 1 kg of Texapon can give me 20 liters of soap. But I want it to be very thick. That's why I'm doing 15 liters. If you want it to be less thicker than mine, you can add more 5 liters into your own with the same measurements. As I'm turning the water, I'm gradually mixing them and it's giving me the consistency I want. Alright, if you want it to be more lighter, you add more water. Alright, if you still want 15 liters and this one is not as thick as you want, add more salt water. You can use your regular cooking salt instead of industrial salt. I want to make use of industrial salt. Now when you have mixed and find out that everything is properly mixed, the next thing you will do is to add in the color you want. This color should be water soluble. Shouldn't be an oil soluble water. You can make do with any color of your choice. I want to use purple today, so I'm using purple. If you want to use blue, if you want to keep it white plain, it's fine. Whatever it is you want to use. You want to do green, orange, pink, anything, you are good to go. It's time to add in my fragrance. Here I'm using 2 types of fragrance. I'm using lemon and rose because I love the smell it gives at the end of the day. I want to use this to wash clothes, to mop the house. So I want in a way when I'm washing my clothes, it's giving me beautiful smell. And when I use it to mop my house smells fine. But if you don't like this fragrance, it's not cast on the stone. Please do well to use what you want. Now you can use this and you can supply these things to hospitals, hotels. Use it at home. So you don't have reasons to tell me why you can't do anything this year. You have so many things on my channel that can help you. At this time, I want to remove the one I want to use for dishes. I don't want to add Chloroxylenol in the one I want to use in washing my plates. I removed 5 liters, left with 10 liters. Now I'm adding the Chloroxylenol, which is the antibacterial, to 10 liters. Mix it very well and it is ready. Alright, just get a container and store it. So please subscribe to my channel if you've not. Give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in comment section, Tell us what you want us to do next, and be rest assured that we will not disappoint you.